Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today is going to be a bit of a different video from my channel, and I want to talk about pregnancy pigmentation that you get on your skin, how to minimize it during pregnancy, and then how to get rid of it afterwards. So just after I had Luca, I put a story out on my Instagram asking for some natural products that you guys recommended to help get rid of pregnancy pigmentation. So I only use natural products. I don't like things with toxic chemicals or anything like that. So I was looking for something that would naturally help me to get rid of the pregnancy pigmentation, and I've been using it for about 6 months now, and it has helped so much. And I've been getting quite a few comments about my skin recently, and so I want to share that with you today. If you are new to my channel, welcome. My name is Bettina Ray. I'm a yoga teacher and I specialize in yoga for fertility, pregnancy, birth, and early motherhood. So like I said, a little bit offbeat for my channel today, but still focused around pregnancy and something I really think is important to talk about. So pregnancy pigmentation, it's those dark spots that you get on your skin, and there's something to do with the hormones in our body that makes us more sensitive to the sun during pregnancy, which creates that pregnancy pigmentation or melasma on the skin. So I've got a little bit of makeup on at the moment, but you can probably still see there's a little bit left down the side here, but that's all I really have left. And during my pregnancies, I kind of come out with it across my nose. It's almost like I've got more freckles, and I do live on the Sunshine Coast, so I do spend a lot of the time in the sun. I've got, well, now 3 boys, but in my last pregnancy, I had 2 very active boys, and we are at the beach a lot. My eldest plays football, so I'm on the side of the football field, and while I do wear sunscreen and I do wear a hat, it still came out quite a bit during my pregnancy. So the first thing I want to talk to you about is how to kind of reduce it during pregnancy, because I think if you can stop it happening so much, that's going to be better than trying to repair the damage afterwards. So obviously the number one thing has to be using sunscreen. Sometimes natural sunscreens can be really hard to find. The one that I found that I really like is this one by, and I can't pronounce this properly, Jojoba company. I don't know, it's J-O-J, and it's not pronounced jojoba. I don't know. Jojoba, let me know if you know how to pronounce that. Yeah, so it's not one that gives you that big white out face, which some of the natural ones tend to do. All right, now let's get onto the products that I have found that really help to reduce the pigmentation. So I'll try and insert a couple of pictures here. One from my second pregnancy. I had it worse during my second. I wasn't as good at sun protection at that point in time, and I definitely came out of that pregnancy with a lot across my nose. It wasn't so bad in my third because I really did rely on sunscreen a lot more, and I was a lot better with preventing it. So in all honesty, the best thing that I have found is this La Marve Vitamin C Advanced Nightly Repair Nectar. I found this company about 6 months ago. Like I said, I asked for recommendations and I bought this one. I think I got it for about $40 or $50, and I just got it in my local health food store. And it's a serum, so it's like a liquid oil, I guess. I just started using this one every night, and I would put it all over my face and all over my neck. So I didn't just focus on the particular spots. And I've really found over the last 6 months that it has helped to, it's pretty much gotten rid of everything across my nose. Almost all of the ones on my forehead are gone, and it's just these last little stubborn ones on the side that I'm still working on getting rid of. Like I said, in complete transparency, I purchased this myself originally, and when I knew I was going to film this video, I reached out to the company, and they've actually sent me the brightening kit to give away. So hang around to the end of this video and I'll let you know how you can win this if you would like to win some of these products for yourself. So when I first started using that nectar, I also bought this at the same time. So it's their organic BB cream, and I bought it in medium because at the time it was summer. I probably could go down a shade, maybe a little bit at the moment because I'm not quite as tan. But anyway, I'm using this one, and it says it also has a natural sunscreen in it. So I'm guessing that's also helping to make sure that on the days that I forget this one, I've got something on as well. And I really like this because even though it's a BB cream, it's not a foundation. You can kind of build it up, so you can put one layer on, and that's all I've got on today. But if you were going out, you could put another layer on. It really builds really nicely. So definitely recommend that one. And then the 2 that I've just been using more recently, so in the last month or so since they've sent me, is their Anti-Dark Circle Eye Gel. So definitely helping with a baby who doesn't sleep. So I've just been using this one, obviously, under my eyes. And I've been doing that one morning and night. And then this one, which is just their lightening cream, and I've just been using this as a day cream. So So again, I've only been using this one more recently. It's nice and light and it goes under that BB cream really nicely, so it's not all oily. And then as a night cream, I just use the Sukin. I've used Sukin for years and I use their cleansers and things like that. It's a really nice, natural Australian skincare brand, so that's what I use of a nighttime. So my skincare routine is really basic. I clean my skin morning and night, so I tend to have a shower morning and night just because when I wake up, my hair is like here, short hair problems. Yeah, so I just cleanse my face of a morning, put that day cream on, and then I put that BB cream on top, and that's pretty much me for the day most days. And then over nighttime, again, just cleanse my face. I use the serum and the eye gel, and then I just put that night cream over top. So that's all I've been doing for pregnancy pigmentation. These products have helped so much. I really love that they are natural and they don't have lots of chemicals in them. So like I said earlier, La Marve have generously sent me this brightening kit to give away. If you're watching this video in the week after it has been released and you would like to win this kit, all you need to do is leave me a comment below letting me know one of your least favorite side effects from pregnancy. Mine was definitely that skin pigmentation. I'll leave some information in the description box about the competition and everything you need to know, when the winner will be announced, etc. Good luck. Let me know if you have any other recommendations for great products that have helped your pregnancy pigmentation, and I'll see you in the next video.